This demo is to show how to upload a file and perform variance in the cash forecast. Once you have been using the forecast for a few days or weeks, you will want to compare what you have in the forecast to what has actually happened in your bank account. You compare those two by clicking on Variance. In order to perform variance, you must upload either a bank statement or a file from QuickBooks so you can compare what is already cleared through your accounts to what you had forecasted. In this example, I am going to upload a file from my bank statement. Once I have uploaded my statement, I will be asked, do I want to review all my transactions, or do I just want to allow the forecast to accept transactions based upon the statement that I have just uploaded from QuickBooks or my bank? In this example, I'm going to say yes, I will review transactions. The transactions that were uploaded from either your bank account or QuickBooks appear on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side sits all of the transactions that are in the forecast. It is to be noted that in this demo, we do see a difference in dates simply because I'm using a static set of data for the upload and the demo is in real time. For my bank balance details, I show the aggregate cash in and aggregate cash out amounts. I show the same information under the forecasted transactions. If I want to search for specific transactions in either the bank balance details or forecasted transactions, I can click down on the menu bar and we'll see additional information for wildcard searches, date ranges, and amount ranges. The same is true for the forecast with two additional data points, which would be transaction type and source. You'll also notice that you can include future transactions. You would use this when you see a transaction on the left-hand side from the bank statement, but yet you do not have it forecasted. That is because somebody may have paid you earlier and you were expecting to see that cash sometime in the future and does not appear here today. By clicking on future transactions, you will pull in all future transactions into your forecast and then you're able to search. When looking to compare transactions, you first start on the left-hand side by clicking one of the letters under the heading of A. I chose line A, and on the right-hand side I can say, I believe that is this forecasted transaction. I have linked these two with the letter A, simply so I can understand what I have already matched up between my forecast and my actual occurrence in the bank statement. If later on I decide that is not the case, I can unclick it, or I can click multiple lines on the forecast side. Then I can go to B, C, D, and continue on. I can go in any order, and I do not have to match all transactions. This is just simply for the small business owner to try to identify some of the key transactions that have occurred to understand how close their forecast is to their actual bank statement. When I am satisfied, I can then go up and click Accept, and the forecast will reset itself to match what actually occurred in the bank statement, and tomorrow's opening balance will match today's end-of-day balance in the forecast. And that is how to upload a file and perform variance.